on 2 tonight, an update to that Houston area personal injury attorney accused of stealing his client's settlement checks. He now says he's re-signing his law license. KPRC2 first exposed the theft allegations against David Pettis in January, and tonight he continues to not deny any wrongdoing. Our Bryce Newberry joining us now with what all this means exactly, Bryce.
Yeah, Lisa, a really big development at a critical time here in this case. More than 6 months after our first story aired about David Pettis, and just weeks before a state bar trial was scheduled over grievances that have been filed, he tells me he's made the decision to resign his license to save his family from bankruptcy.
How does a person sleep at night scamming people?
First in January,
nobody is stopping him.
Then in March, 4 victims speaking only with KPRC2, claiming their personal injury attorney, David Lee Pettis, stole settlement money meant to pay their medical bills after car crashes.
Not getting the funds that Mr. Pettis has taken has really just made this nightmare 10 times worse.
Pettis has always denied any wrongdoing, saying he looks forward to clearing his good name in a courtroom or legal proceeding. But in a new statement to KPRC2, Pettis writes, "Unfortunately, a number of my former clients who were upset at the amounts of the settlements they got apparently banded together to report to the bar that somehow they were deceived. Nothing could be further from the truth. The truth is, I represented the regular person, not big shots in big cases. I just don't have the hundreds of thousands of dollars that it will take to fight the bar. I wish that I could, but since I can't, I felt at this stage of my long career, the best thing to do was resign my license to save me and my family from bankruptcy. I will keep helping people as long as I can because that is just the way I am made."
Oh, wow. I have no words.
The reason not sitting well with Alexandra Alameda, who says she hasn't seen some $60,000 in settlement money after her November crash. She filed a complaint with the state bar and a lawsuit in Fort Bend County.
This man did this to innocent people. And just because we're not, what did he say, big shots? Regular people? That is not okay. Oh my God. I really hope that someone does their job and he sees, I'm like shaking, he does time behind bars.
Do you have any faith in the state bar?
Not at all.
Derek Liang says his medical bills have gone to collections.
My grievance alone should have been enough to disbar the guy. And here we are almost 2 years later, and they still haven't really disbarred him. He voluntarily gave up his license. So not really a great win.
He's still waiting on $90,000 he expected in settlement money.
Appreciate you exposing this bastard. I think if these stories weren't to have aired, then he would probably still be out there conning other people.
And tonight, the state bar has refused to answer any questions, despite these accusers telling me they were contacted by the bar this morning with this update. Pettis has been found liable in at least 2 legal malpractice lawsuits, but he has not been charged with any crimes, and the Harris County District Attorney's Office still will not confirm or deny the existence of any investigation. Lisa.
Bryce, the state bar's website tonight still shows his license is active. What have you learned about that process at all here?
Yeah, so under state rules, Lisa, lawyers can submit a motion to resign instead of being disciplined, and that resignation then has to be accepted by the Supreme Court of Texas. But we know that that takes time, and then if it's accepted, a resignation in this way is treated as a disbarment.
Still more to come in this.
Absolutely.
Okay, Bryce, thank you.